Welcome back to Kitchen Secrets. Today, we're making a rich, creamy chicken noodle soup that's packed with tender chicken, vegetables, and delicious noodles. Here are all the ingredients we'll need: chicken breast, egg noodles, onion, carrots, celery, garlic, butter, flour, chicken broth, heavy cream, salt, black pepper, and fresh parsley. First, finely dice the onion. Next, slice the carrots into thin rounds. Now slice the celery into small pieces. Mince the garlic until it's nice and fine. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces so it cooks evenly. Heat a large pot over medium heat and melt the butter. Add the diced onion and cook until it becomes soft and fragrant. Now add the sliced carrots. Next, add the celery. Add the minced garlic and cook for about a minute, stirring constantly so it doesn't burn. Now add the chicken and cook until it's lightly browned on the outside. Sprinkle the flour over everything and stir well to coat the chicken and vegetables. Slowly pour in the chicken broth while stirring to create a smooth, flavorful base. Before we continue, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Tell me your country in the comments below. I enjoy reading your comments and seeing where everyone is watching from. Now add the egg noodles and let everything simmer until the noodles are perfectly tender. Pour in the heavy cream and gently stir until the soup becomes rich, smooth, and beautifully creamy. Season with salt to taste. Add a little freshly ground black pepper for extra flavor. Finish with freshly chopped parsley for a burst of freshness and color. Now ladle the creamy chicken noodle soup into a serving bowl. Serve it with a slice of crusty bread and enjoy every warm, comforting bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Kitchen Secrets for more easy and delicious homemade recipes.